Hey everybody. Thanks for joining me on my channel today with Amy's Creative Acrylics. I'm Amy. Hello. Today I am doing a collaboration with a good friend of mine, Robin Chris. We are going to do, so basically we can do any technique, any size canvas. She chose 6 colors for me to use, and I chose 6 colors for her to use. And so the colors that she chose for me were a deep purple. So for my deep purple, I didn't have my cups open here. I am using SoHo's Dioxazine Violet. And then she said to use a light purple. So for the light purple, I am using Aunties Metallic Amethyst. It's a really pretty color. And then she said to use like a mint green. So I didn't have a mint. So the closest, so what I did is I took Creative Inspirations Emerald Green, and I put some of the Amsterdam's acrylic titanium white in there, just to kind of get it more of a lighter green, like a minty color. Then I have to use like a powder blue, and then a blue that's a little bit darker, she said. So for the powder blue, I use Arteza light blue, and then I mixed in Amsterdam's titanium white. For the little darker blue, I used Blinkrylic's Florescent blue, but I added some titanium white in it to get this color a little bit, so it's just a little bit darker than the powder blue. And then I got to use the 24 karat gold. Decoart is what I use. Surprise. So I was happy to get to use that. And then I'm using white for my base. Let's see. So I'm using a 10 by 20 inch canvas. I'm just going to put down my whites. All my paints are mixed with Floetrol, Liquitex gloss pouring medium, and a little bit of water if needed. Some paints are a little bit thicker, so you need to use a little bit more paint in there. So I do want to thank everybody for watching. Let's see. I think I will put, if you check out Robin's channel, she's an amazing artist. Like I said, she's a really good friend of mine, or I consider her to be a really good friend. And I will put a link in the description for you to go to her channel to see what colors I had her do. And they were pretty, actually it was kind of funny because our colors aren't exactly the same, but they're not a lot different. So it was kind of funny that when we sent each other the list of colors to do, we were like, what? And she's like, great minds think alike. So there you go. All right, so I think I'm going to do kind of just a little bit down this way, and then maybe something up here. We'll just see. I'm just going to kind of put the colors down and kind of see how it goes. All right, I think I'm going to bring it down for a close-up because I'm really liking the colors are beautiful. The cells, the shimmer, amazing, amazing. Yeah, these are fun colors to use together. Like I would have never selected these colors to go together, but I really like it. So let's take a look, get a close-up. All right, I'm going to bring it down for a close-up. Just look at all that shimmer. So pretty. I really do like these colors together. Good choice, Robin. Just look at all that shimmer. Ooh, you gotta love it. Colors are beautiful. But thanks again, Robin, for doing the collaboration with me. I'm so glad we finally got one, or a time that we could actually do it together. I know we've been planning on doing it for quite some time, so it was a lot of fun. And everybody, I will put a link in the description for Robin's, so please go and check hers out. Yeah, she's an amazing artist, and a really good friend of mine. So, but thanks again, Robin, and thanks everybody for watching. I hope you enjoyed and you will do all that fun jazz, you know, like what I say right here. Oops, I'm gonna put it right there. Anyway, have a good day. Have a good evening. Keep being creative. Bye.